Hi everybody, this is Somewhat Girly, and get ready for unboxing of the Stickii Club pop pack for the month of July 2022. Just a reminder, I am visually impaired, so I use various implements including reader glasses and the zoom on my camera to see fine details or things that I might not normally notice. So let's get into it. Whoop. No spoilers. I never look at them. I used to, a long time ago. Just a reminder that Stickii has gone up $2. It's no longer $10 plus shipping a month. It is $12 plus shipping a month. So for me, USD wise, that comes out to about $13 because the shipping's only $1. All right, there's your sneaky peek. Oh, get back in there. Of the front and the back. We're gonna put that away, and I'm gonna zoom in so that way we can give a look-see. Whee! To bring this up a little closer to my face, and then I don't know what it is about this that it's always like, you know, but anyway, let's get out our theme sticker so we can find out what our pop pack theme is. Okay, forces of nature. Why did I say it like that? I don't know. Forces of nature. I see clouds. I see water, maybe fire. I don't know what I'm seeing. Lollipops. You know, remember this sticker is meant for you to either put, because like this is what it says down here, is either to put down in the bottom corner of the organizer for that month so you can remember which stickers come in what pack, or you can use it for whatever you want. So I'm going to put that up there, and then we are going to open. I'm already thinking I'm going to love that. We're going to open up our accessory side. Yep, gonna open this. Hold on. This reminds me of a tattoo, like a bad to the bone kind of thing. What do you think of that? That's actually pretty cool. All right, last pocket here is usually the notepad. Notepad is pretty big this month. Like, it doesn't even fit in my frame, and normally it does. So if I zoom out a little bit, you can see the whole thing. But I'm gonna zoom back in for me. Very light colored, very faint. Of course, bunch of pages. That's what it's made by. It's very, very light colored. So I'll just let you guys peruse it. Looks like we got 4 solid and 4 clear. We're gonna look at the solid ones first. There we go. Okay. So what do we have here? This is supposed to be forces of nature, and they look like witches of the wood. I'm digging this one. 100% digging her. Or him. I'm not really sure. It's a her. Could be him. Could be non-binary. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. I'm thinking water. These look like elements. So this one could be like the sun or fire. Maybe wind. Wind or water, because this looks like a hippocampus. That one could also be fire. These are cool. Why is this not focusing? Focus. You can see my hand. There we go. Okay. Put that off to the side. Next. That is a what is that? Oh, it's on a colored background. Okay. A person, like a moth, but they could also be like moth fairies. Fairies always have like dragonfly wings or something like that, but I think it'd be interesting to see more with different kinds of wings. These are really pretty. I like this set. Yeah, I never know what I'm gonna get when I get the pop set. It's always different and always interesting. There we go. Okay, next one. I hope you guys can see them really well because they're super light, super beautiful. They really outdid themselves this month, and I love that. You know, their list of artists and whatnot is so extensive. Is this like underwater stuff? Jellyfishes? Yeah. Hello. Okay. I see what you did there. Who is this? Oh. Mikochi? Mikochi? My favorite sticker, I think. I already know it's going to be my favorite sticker. Okay, we got some elements from the theme sticker. It looks like elements as if they were like popsicles and lollipops and sweet treats, which love when we get more food stickers. These are adorable. Flamin' hot, like flamin' hot Cheetos, but like fiery chips. You can eat a bunch of those. Sure. Fish pop. Fish pop. Here we go. Fish pop. Let me turn that around so that we can see the... I don't know how to count. Oh wait, I do know how to count. That'll be one of my bloopers. Okay, so this is the first one, which looks like... Hey, we're textured. But like, not really, because when I feel it with my finger, it's not, but I do that. Gemstones, but like elements of something in them. Hold on, cat's doing... Save the cat from himself. One day I'm going to do a video and like show you guys my cat. Oh boy. Had to save him again from himself, I'm sorry. Let's continue. Looks like there's some sort of forces of nature inside each one of these. But yeah, I'm going to do a video of my cat, just a little one. They look like celestial symbols or alchemy symbols or something. I don't know. I'm not into that stuff. And it looks like this was created just by the... Oh, my finger went up underneath the sticker. Just created by an artist at stickieclub.com. But those are nice. I like those. Now, there's two sheets like this. So I'm betting they're probably the same artist. These are amazing. These are gorgeous. I love how there's like a bar of color. Here's the artist here. There's like a bar of color, and then there's like different colors of these. So there's that first one, and then here's the second one. A bar of, it's not like color, it's flowers, but then there's the girls sleeping or standing in the forests, where like you could probably put like this with this one, or a blue one from the other one that I had just had. Like you can theme them up. These are beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm glad I got two of those. And they are different, because the very first sticker on this set is blue, and this one is red flowers. Red flower, blue thorns. Red flower, blue thorns. If you know what that's from, put it down in the comments. And do you like that movie? Here's some more elements for our gift card stickers, or anything you want to make them stickers. It's the element, like foods again. Some of these are really light. And they're adorable. I love these. There's the mark. Absolutely adorable. I love my kitty cat. Yes, I do. I love my kitty cat. His name's Boo. So, what do we think? I absolutely enjoyed this pop pack. Forces of nature. You know, it's all about the elements. All about like earth, wind, fire, water, heart. What's that from? You can also throw that down in the comments if you remember what that's from. I really like this pack. I can't wait to design my planner around it. And it's gonna the soft pastel colors were actually pretty gorgeous. So what do you think? Thanks for watching, and I will see you again. Bye bye.